Coming from a high school background, I met a lot of students whose schedules were so full they ran out of time to take their career exploration electives. What's great about microsociety is that they can investigate early and make an informed decision about their future.
Our C-Block program is preparing us for real-life opportunities and is teaching us careers that we wouldn't learn about otherwise.
I like the CE blocks because they have a lot of variety. They're perfect for like all different kinds of interests, like if you like art, technology, music, like stuff like that.
This year, I've been taking a class on early childhood education, which I feel like has really helped me learn how I can actually do that in the future.
My favorite elective this year is songwriting because I've recently gone into music. Getting into songwriting, I start to see how songs are created, and now I pay attention when I'm listening to songs of how their lyrics are, the different melodies and stuff like that.
I like the forensic science class because of the way that they teach us how to identify evidence like a real forensic scientist would do. We made an evidence board and we're making mock crime scene presentations, a mock prosecution, and all of these factors that help you understand how a forensic scientist really works, like how to trace evidence and how to create a solid defense and how to identify evidence and things like that.
One thing that's very important through life, patience, I've learned in my 3D design class, where you're like creating something but it takes time. You have to wait for stuff to dry, like paint or the clay, and you can start to see it form with that patience.
One of my favorite things about MACS is how inspiring all of my teachers that I've had here have been, and I feel like one of the reasons why I want to be a teacher when I grow up is because I've had such good experiences with the teachers I've had here.
I think the C-Block program is amazing because we have actual teachers with backgrounds in the careers that we get to expose kids to, so kids get a first-hand account of the different opportunities that we have.